He ate it. God. It's a creek smallie. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing some creek fishing, and we're already like half an hour or so into the walk, and we're just pretty much trying to find some smallies. I'm pretty sure there's just some panfish, smallies, and whatever, a lot of other little fish in here. So we're just gonna keep walking up and down the trail, and we're gonna try to find some spots to fish, try to find some bigger pools of like deeper water and whatnot, and we'll get some GoPro footage and all that stuff. Let's try to catch some fish for you guys. See you when we start fishing. Oh, he's coming back. Eat it. No. Yo, there must be some decent ones, man. Go for it. He's right there. He's right there. It's at least almost a pound. I think it's a little intimidating though. Color. Break it. He zipped so fast to it, then just did not want it. Are you serious? He wanted it, then didn't want it. In the matter of a second. Biggins? Yo, I'm coming. It's my middle name. I'm coming. I don't think they like my... He ate it. God. It's a creek smallie. I got a bug in my throat. Right, that guy's... Come out? It came out. Nice. Nice little guy. It's a creek smallie. Off she goes. We are going on an adventure. These are ankle breaker rocks. It's nice. Oh, look it right there. Oh, what is that? Glasses. Score. Yo, pair of glasses. I'm going in, boys. I got him.
Hey, Ray-Ban.
Look at these. Find of the century. Definitely fake. It's not bad though. Should make some of these videos. That's a score. Nice. I'm happy. He's got one. So yeah, this video is definitely gonna be more of like a adventurous. We're doing little. Look, we're doing creek fishing. Look, little smallies. Look, there's another smallie coming. Trying to find some bigger pools, but this one right here is like 4 or 5 feet right here. It's pretty good. And we found a pair of these. Sweet. Now I gotta put my stuff on. You can see my hairy ass feet. If I could pull like a 2-pounder out here, that'd be pretty insane. Just not expecting it, but all these little fish count. Oh, I see one going to it. Yeah. 2-3? I just told the camera if I catch a 2, I would be extravagantly happy, if that even makes sense. I'm breaking my rod. How the hell did you guys get there? Did you get it? Was there? It's the goal, man. Probably like 14 ticks on me. Man, there's like huge bolt like rocks right there. They're probably just chilling under that. See a little guy right here. Oh yeah, it does open up over there, eh? Oh, I see one. He's going for it. He's got it. Little guy. Little creek smallie. He's trying to grab you. Haha. Just little guys. Sight fishing. The what? Oh yeah, it probably gets deeper too. It's amazing. So we made it back from the creek, and it was actually really sweet there. There's it's like a small creek, and there's a lot of fish, like a lot of species and whatnot. And yeah, we pretty much caught a lot of smallies, mostly all smallies. Yeah, it was like a really good hike, nice trail. We had to like go kind of off-roading, if you want to say it like that. Bunged up, cut legs a bit, but it was worth it. It was really good adventure. So if you guys enjoyed that, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on that post notification so you know when I post, and we'll see you on the next one.